Learning something new feels impossible sometimes, doesn't it? Like, you know what you want to do, but somehow you just don't. And then that tiny voice in your head goes, "Why am I so lazy?" Spoiler, you're not lazy. You just don't have the right tools yet. So let's fix that. First, let's crush the biggest myth about learning, the 10,000-hour rule. It's misleading. Sure, mastery might take a long time, but you don't need mastery to get good enough to do something cool. Most skills only take about 20 hours to go from, what is this, to hey, I kind of know what I'm doing. 20 hours. That's it. Here's the trick. Break the skill into bite-sized chunks. Think of it like a puzzle. Don't focus on the whole picture. Just find two pieces that fit together. Want to learn guitar? Skip the dream of playing a full song right away. Start with two chords. Memorize them. Practice switching between them until it feels natural. Boom, you've just leveled up. Consistency is your cheat code. Learning isn't about massive bursts of effort. It's about showing up every day, even if it's only for 15 minutes. Those tiny sessions, they stack up fast. Imagine trying to get fit. One monster workout won't do much, but a short workout every day? Total game changer. The same rule applies to your brain. But here's the catch. Watching someone else do the thing won't make you better at it. It feels productive, but it's like watching a cooking show and expecting to make a souffle. You learn by doing. Even if it's ugly, even if you mess up, every try is progress. Mistakes aren't failures. They're proof you're learning. And about that motivation thing, it's overrated. Waiting for the perfect mood or burst of inspiration is a trap. Instead, build systems that force you to start. Set alarms. Leave your tools in plain sight. Or pair your learning with something fun, like playing a podcast while practicing. Once you begin, momentum will do the rest. Still worried about being bad at first? Let me tell you a secret. No one cares. Nobody's watching your awkward first attempts. Everyone's too busy worrying about their own stuff. So give yourself permission to suck. Being bad is the first step to being good. So, there you have it. Learning isn't about being a natural or grinding endlessly. It's about starting small, showing up regularly, and embracing the messiness of the process. You're not lazy. You just needed a plan. Now, go learn that thing you've been putting off. You're closer than you